So good evening to all. Hope everyone is doing good. So today we'll be discussing about top two stocks that we can buy at the current market levels. So we know that before the election results, there might be few stocks which might give some very good movement. So we'll discuss the two stocks with the complete technical analysis and also basic fundamentals as well, so that we'll have complete clarity. So after many days we are doing the videos because I was busy with few works. So I'll also be uploading few daily updates related to Nifty and Bank Nifty. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified. Okay, so first stock that we're going to discuss today is going to be Hindustan Aeronautics. So this is a very familiar stock. So it is also known as HAL. So we know that this particular company is basically involved in a manufacturing of aircraft and helicopters, especially related to the defense category. And if you see the market cap also, it's not a small cap company or medium cap, it is a large cap company. So you can see the market capitalization also almost 3 lakh crore company is HAL. And if you see the current price, it is trading around 4,782. So this particular stock, if I talk the speciality, it has given huge returns to the investors who were accumulating this at each and every levels. Especially it used to trade at very low levels if you go few years back. So now it has multiplied multiple times and it has given a very good return to the investors. And if you see the high and low also, it's currently trading almost very close to the 52-week high. And if you see low is around 1490. So you can see within 1 year span of time, it has given almost 3 times the return, right? So next, if you see the stock P is around 42.1, dividend yield is around 0.58, and ROC is around 38.9%. So stable fundamental ratios. And let's talk about the pros and cons as well. Okay, so firstly, if you try to discuss about the pros and cons, you can see the pros wise the company has reduced the debt. So company is almost debt free, and also if you see CAGR also is very stable. Only the major negatives wise, if we see cons, it is trading at little higher valuation. So that is obviously we can understand that. But quality wise, we need to understand that sometimes few stocks might trade at little higher PE ratio, but fundamentals are very strong, and mainly in the defense category, this is a very solid company. Okay, so next, if we try to have a peer comparison and if you try to compare the ROCE, so as I've mentioned in the defense category, Hindustan Aeronautics is one such company which has a very solid potential. So for that purpose, ROCE is also around 38.90%, and rest of all you can see other companies as well. And next and foremost thing is operating profit before tax and net profit. So these things, if you see here, so these are growing exceptionally very well. So main thing, if you see operating profit also has compared to previous quarter, a very huge increment is there, and similar to that profit before tax and net profit also, you can see a very good numbers were reported by the company in the last quarter, right? So stable, very good results. So that is the reason why the stock has given that much returns. So quickly let's go to the technical charts as well. So before going to technical charts, let us also discuss the second stock, then combined we'll discuss the technical levels. Okay, so second stock is going to be BDL, Bharat Dynamics. So this is also one more defense company which is engaged in manufacturing of missiles and various other defense equipments. So this is also a very good company. So market capitalization wise, you can see it is little medium type of a company. 46,000 crore is the market cap. Current price is around 2,538, and high and low, you can say this particular stock also is almost trading around the 52-week highs, and low is around 900 rupees. Stock P is little high because, as I've mentioned, these companies are trading at little higher P's because of the demand they have. So obviously we can't say anything, but fundamental wise they are going to be very strong. And if the government also comes in the favor, that is the BJP government, so these defense stocks might give some very good returns in the shorter span of time. And also this particular stock is ready to give its stock split, which is going to be held on 24th of this month. So you can encash that particular opportunity, and also you can get some short-term gains. So if you see the next pros and cons, companies debt free and reduce the debt. So these are the main thing. Book value is something which is little high for these companies, and low return on equity, and earnings is also one such thing, so that also we'll discuss. So if you see earnings wise, slightly there is a decrement, because see, this is a mid cap company. It is not like a very big company like HAL. HAL is a very solid defense company, so obviously as compared to that, so here we might see some decrement. But upcoming results, I think around this month 30, the company will declare its results as well. So if those results are going to be very good, so then stock obviously will go in the upside direction. Okay, so now let's go to the technical levels. We'll try to analyze both on daily and weekly charts. So first thing, if you see the weekly chart of BDL, you can see a very solid breakout is there here. So if I zoom out the chart, and if I see, this is a pole and flag breakout, and after the breakout you can see a very big candle was there, and it has given a healthy breakout. And if you see today's candle, slightly we have seen selling pressure. After the stock has gone to 2700 in that particular zone, we have seen sellers have come and dropped the price a little downside. But still the week is not completed, because it's a weekly chart, so we have few more days left. So if the buyers are still active at those levels, we might see again it might touch that 2700 rupees level. So we need to be very attentive. So my personal targets would be 3000 as a short term target on or before elections. So that might happen, and also stock split is there. So before that it happens, well and good. If not, we'll discuss later once we update the videos. But it is a very good stock. You can accumulate at the levels. So next stock is HAL, as we discussed. So this also has given a very good breakout. As you can see, weekly chart has solid breakout, and now you can see it is also trading at all-time high. So my personal target for this is going to be 5250 in near term. So if you want, you can buy at the current levels. Keep a very tight stop loss around 4500 as a short-term stop loss, and keep a target of 5200. So might travel very soon in the upside direction. So these are the two stocks. So also have separate Telegram group as well. You can join there, and intraday group also is there, where mainly we discuss stock option calls. So anybody who's opening account in Zerodha or IFL through the given links, so they can join that group as well. Completely free group. Thank you for joining. So we'll discuss the next set of stock in the coming videos. Thank you for watching.